What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing something special. The first time that I'm taking my dog on a flight to south of Italy, because unfortunately, even though in Italy we do have a law that big dogs can travel with you, it's still not completely effective, as the airline companies are not actually taking care of it. We have to do it. We could not leave our baby for 2 weeks. It is such a long journey from Switzerland to south of Italy to do it by car, and also with a 3-month-old human baby. So I'm gonna show you in this vlog how to actually put your dog on the plane and travel with you. This journey will be very short. It's just 1 hour. So that's the reason why we decided to take him on board with us. So we are actually in Milan Linate, which is the only airport where I can take my dog from, because we are flying with ITA Airways. It is a 35 kilos dog, golden retriever. His name is Leon. He's about to piss on the cone. And the first thing that you should definitely think of is to get a kennel, which is authorized to fly on the flight, because there are specific rules that you have to comply when you're traveling your dog. The first thing that you have to make sure is that it has a double locker on the kennel, and also all the sides of the kennel where there is the airflow coming in and out has to be in aluminium, so no plastic. It has to be very safe for him to fly. And I'm gonna leave the link in bio so you can check it out and make sure that you get the same or something similar to that. So we actually just checked in and he's still with us. So the check-in was very easy. They actually told us that we have to bring him 1 hour before the flight to a special check-in area where we can leave him inside the cage. We need to make sure that the cage is closed. The kennel, let's say that, not cage. I don't like to call it cages, a kennel. And yeah, so that's basically everything, and they will handle it. We left some food, and there's also a water container attached to the kennel, so he has everything he needs. Before I forget, another thing that you should definitely check is the passport for your dog and the vaccination card. So there are some requirements depending on the states and country where you're flying from and to, which require you to have a passport or just the vaccine card and the right vaccine for your dog, like for example rabies and things like that. So make sure you check the regulation before you're booking a flight, and make sure you are on time for doing the vaccine if you didn't do it, because some vaccine requires at least a month in order to be eligible to fly for your dog. We just left the dog in the cage. They checked the cage on the metal detector, and Leon is basically almost there on board of that flight. Now it's time to do a security check for us, and then we will just wait to go on board.
So we are on board and we are already flying. Baby is getting the milk. This is good for our pressure to breastfeed, or even on takeoff and landing. That's a big advice. And we saw our other baby getting wounded in the flight. The staff reassured us that it was fine. He was probably playing around with them. So landing time should be in 1 hour and 15 minutes. So we're gonna just chill now, and we'll wait for the landing, and then finally really talk together with the family.
We just landed, and now it's time to collect the beast. I hope he's gonna be fine. Landing was a little bit bumpy, but I think it's going to be okay. Vieni Leon, vieni, non è là la macchina, vieni. Andiamo! We just got Leon. He's super happy. So right now we are waiting for the rental car. We need to collect our car, and then we will head to the location where we're staying. Leon is actually with my parents, so they are helping us out to carrying on a lot of luggages, because also we have the baby as well. But I'm glad that he's fine. The travel very smoothly and everything was very easy. He's happy, I guess. I mean, he's an easy dog, so I think for him was way easier than many other dogs. But definitely it's like, there is that kind of sensation that you feel like lost when you are 30,000 above the land and you think like, oh, is my dog fine? Or when you're landing, that it bumps the plane, you think like, oh my God, he's gonna be scared or whatever, but he was fine. Overall, like his reaction was very good. So we actually arrived in our location. We are staying here in Carovigno, which is a little town near Ostuni, the white city here in Puglia. As you can see from the background, it's amazing. We have a swimming pool, we have an outdoor kitchen area, we have 2 bedrooms inside, we have another kitchen inside, and there's a lot of space for Leon to run around. So let's see, how is it, Leon? Also, Leonardo arrived with us. Buongiorno! Leon, how was the trip? Was it good? Did you enjoy it? Don't drink that dirty, nasty water.